สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe today is a special day a double special day actually first of all it's the channel birthday everything started 1 year ago and it's also a special day because if you watched my new year video you know we had the plan to move to a house well we found it so it will be my last recipe in this tiny kitchen. Today, I am going to cook a very famous Thai dish, Thai green curry or Gaeng Keow Wan. I've already made a video with another variation. It was one of my first video. I will put link in description. Okay, are you ready? Let's go! Thai sweet basil, Thai eggplant, green long chili, green chili, coconut milk, kaffir lime leaf, lemongrass, coriander root, shallots, kaffir lime, galangal, garlic, sea salt, shrimp paste, cumin seed, coriander seed, black pepper, fish sauce, pork, palm sugar, cooking oil. Once you cut it, put it in water with salt to keep it nice color. This dish is perfect, spicy, sweet and salty. And it's very good to eat with rice noodle. You have to try. It's worth it to spend 25 minutes to do a paste because it's very good. If you don't want to use a mortar, you can use a blender to save your time. It's delicious as well. Have to try. And voila! Bon appetit! I didn't mention rice noodle in ingredients because it's up to you. You can eat with rice noodle or with rice. Tell me in the comments what would be your favorite accompaniment. And tell me as well if you would like to see a vlog of the move or visit of the new house. Don't forget to subscribe and click notification bell. Also, shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย สวัสดีค่ะ I will put link under in this. You can eat with rice noodle or with rice. Tell me in the comment what will be your favorite. It's good, huh?